In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to connect your scale with the PSIN 202 indicator to a computer, and use the Prime interface software. Please note that the simulator shown in this video is not included in your scale package. It is used purely for illustrative purposes. To start, open the small plate on your scale by removing the 4 screws. Underneath, you will find a toggle switch. Uncover the toggle switch and flip it to the other side, then turn on the indicator. It should display P1. Use the up arrow button or print button to navigate to S3 and press 0. Ensure that the number displayed is C. If you see D or H, it is incorrect. Press the Set button and then the Unit button to go back to S3. Flip the switch back to its original position, and you will see the readout. The next step is to connect the indicator to a computer using the blue RS232 to USB cable. When you hear the sound indicating a successful connection, proceed to check the device manager on your computer. It may be located in the control panel on Windows 7 or can be accessed directly on Windows 10. Look for the port section in the device manager. You should see a port called USB serial CH340. Which has been assigned to COM4. This indicates a successful connection with no error messages. Please remember that COM4 will be used when using the software. Your computer may assign the port to a different number. Please check with the device manager. If you have downloaded the software as a zip file, extract all the files and double-click on the Wait tool executable file. If the port is already set, you should see the assigned number. If no numbers are displayed, you need to set the COM port to number 4. The software will not work if the COM port is set incorrectly. Remember to click Save after making any changes to the COM port. So, let's take a closer look at this. If you come across a bar like this and it's not working, make sure to click on the visible log to see all the error messages. This indicates that the scale is not connected to the software, but it doesn't mean it's not connected to this computer. It is already connected. To resolve this, we need to set this component as the port shown in the device manager on the computer. Click on Save, close the software, and then reopen it. Once you do that, you'll notice the number changing. As you can see, it gradually turns green from black. When the number stabilizes, it turns green, which means it will save a new record into the software, specifically the CSV file. You have the option to choose the location where you want to save this file. This one is the main file we need to save, while the other is just a backup. The software is compatible with the majority of other software, websites, tables, Word documents, etc. You can even set a hotkey to paste this number into your application or file. In this case, the hotkey is F10. Let's see what happens when we press F10. Take a look at this indicator because I'm going to cover it with the software. As you can see, the number is 146.95. And on my computer, F10 is the assigned hotkey. So, when you click F10, it records the number onto the software. This could be your web form, a QuickBooks application, or any other software that supports keyboard input. As long as keyboard input is supported, this software will work. Now, let's see how to change the hotkey. Be aware that if there is a conflict with the keys, it may not work. For example, if we click F5, you will notice that the hotkey changes to F5. Assuming no conflict exists for this computer, F5 should work as the hotkey. So now, whenever I press F5, it provides me with the corresponding number. This is a demonstration of how the software works. Additionally, you can configure the software to automatically save these numbers to an Excel file. You can define the location for the saved file and even back up the software. There is a button located here that clears the record software. When you click on it, the current file is emptied and a backup file is created at this location. This is the process. You can select the PS9202 weighing machine, which has a list of the various indicators. However, auto detection is also available, so you don't have to worry about it. Additionally, you can choose the weighing model, which can record the number on user demand. In this case, the numbers are not recorded unless we press the hot button. The second mode provides a stable weighting value, which means that when the number is stable for more than 2000 milliseconds, 2 seconds, it will be recorded. If the weight is unstable and fluctuates around 0, the number needs to stabilize after showing 0 before it will be recorded. These are the main functions of the Prime Interface 2.2 version. We also have dedicated versions for UPS and other software, and we can customize the software for customers. Thank you for watching.